Hey class, today we're going to talk about proportionality theorems within triangles. Proportionality theorems within triangles. Sorry, I can't talk today. So this is section 6.6 in the geometry text that we sometimes use to supplement the Math 2 curriculum. So, the theorem that we're going to talk about today is the one that's related to a line that is drawn within a triangle that connects one side, one leg to another leg. Okay? So if a line parallel to one side of the triangle, so let's say this is a line TU, it's parallel to a side of a triangle. Okay? Then the sides that it touches, right? The sides are what? Proportional. They're proportional. So RT over TQ is going to equal RU over US. Okay? So this is over that. TR divided by TQ is going to equal RU divided by US. Okay? The converse of this is also true, right? If you're given a line that is drawn, right, TU, like let's say don't tell you it's parallel, okay? And you know that RU over US is equal to RT over TQ, then you can say that TU is parallel to QS, okay? How does this help us? Well, if you are told in the diagram QS is parallel to UT, and RS is 4 and ST is 6, and you're told that QU is 9, could you find the length of RQ? Well, if you set up your ratio, right, RQ divided by QU is equal to RS divided by TU, right? Then what you get is RQ divided by 9 is equal to 4 over 6. Okay? So 6 times QR, it doesn't matter the order. It should be RQ, but it doesn't matter the order that you write it. Okay? So 6 times QR is equal to 36 because when you cross multiply, you get 9 times 4 is 36. And then if you divide by 6, you get RQ is equal to 6. Okay. If you have this shoe rack, right, and you're wondering if the gray shelf is parallel or not to the floor, well, what we can look at is we can look at the ratio of AB to BC versus CD and DE. DE to CD. Okay? Well, CD to DE is equal to 44 over 25. Then I should be taking AB CD to DE. Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, so CD to DE is 44 over 25. And then CB to BA is 27 over 33. These two are not equal proportions. Therefore, this line that cuts this triangle, right, it must not be parallel to this side. Okay, so hopefully that is enough. If you have any questions, please email me. If you weren't able to attend the lecture, that's fine. That's it. I don't know why I'm stumbling. Bye.